Hello everyone, welcome back to this week's Erzulie Love or Union reading, where I will draw 5 cards to estimate the influences of a love or union. If you would like any additional information, please check the description below. If you would like a reading, please check the description below. But right now, let's go ahead and shuffle up these cards. Current, past, future, visible, and non-visible. Beautiful. Those are definitely some cards that we need to break down. All right, guys, I just want to say that this is probably one of the best readings that I have done this far. I love all the cards that are out on the table. To me, right away, it screams that this person is looking for a love or a union outside of themselves. And as you can see, as the story tells here, that they are definitely going to find what they have been seeking. First off, we have in our current energy, we have YAGUO, okay, a Santeria, okay? It represents the Princess of Pentacles. Here in New Orleans Tarot, in New Orleans Voodoo Tarot, she is YAGUO, okay, in the Santeria. And as you can see, she has all of her forces with her. Look at that. Can't you see Ogun right there? Can't you see Oshun right there? Can't you see Legua right there? Can't you see that bow right there that's representing Oshai? So those are all representing the earthly planes, and our current energy right here. This person that this reading is resonating with is so protected, fiercely protected. She represents strength. He or she represents strength. They represent beauty, fearless protection. So this person in their current energy is right on time, whatever they're working on. So what's going on in, well, what happened in the past energy here, we have PETRO Laplace. Okay, look at that. As above, so below. As above, so below, connected. I need to slow down. Definitely connected. Look at that fire that they making down there. Oh my God, spirit on fire. So this tells me right below, it just tells me that they are solidifying their spiritual and their physical sense. I mean, yes, indeed, for sure, which represents fair judgment and swiftness as well. So in their current, oh my goodness, in their past state, this person knew swift, fair judgment in every sense, in every matter that they had made, every step that they moved. It was fair, it was balanced. All right, in the physical and in the spiritual sense. This person also represents judgment, fair judgment, which, as you can see, this is what I've been getting all across the board all together. So here in the future energy, we have OBATALA. He is representing the 4 Santeria, okay, 4 of Pentacles, which tells me definitely good and fair judgment. Again, this is your future energy. OBATALA, look at him. What? He got that dove on his shoulder. What? He got the snails. You know what I'm saying? The snail just represents good luck. It represents that cool energy, that calm demeanor. It represents a situation that you may take on in deliberate, calm action demeanor. Okay, so this is your future energy here, OBATALA. Woo! Good judgment. Fair, good judgment, swiftness. Okay, we ain't playing around though. Just know that. So the influences here that is representing in the visible here, we have the 3 of CONGO, MANMAN BRIGITTE. Wow. Very, very, very interesting, because like I said, here we go again. We have the Judge here. fair judgment. We have the law here, fair judgment within whatever law and instance. So here that's encouraged, that is going on, the influences of the visible sense is fair judgment, once again represented in MANMAN BRIGITTE. Okay, this person has full and proper understanding of a situation. So, and here we go, ding, ding, ding. Now this is something that may throw a person into the loop, but you have to know that they are good, bad, quote, instances in everything. So, okay, what's occurring here in influences in the non-visible is les Benevolence. Excuse me, train going by. We have les Benevolence that is occurring right now in the non-visible influences, which means major change of event here. Okay, major change of event here. Okay, within this card that tells the story, which is not the ending of the beginning of any sort, but it's telling me here by looking at these other pieces of the puzzle here that this person has put in work. This person had done a lot of internal work. Okay, this person had gotten to their space, they've gotten to their bag, they've gotten where they need to be balanced, where they cannot be moved off of their square. Okay, this person that is looking for the love or union outside of themselves is going to receive good benefit and good judgment and understanding at the end of the day. I mean, if this person is looking for love or a relationship, I mean, this person might be like end up pregnant. This person might be end up getting married. This person might end up moving somewhere and finding that love, connection, or union that is outside of themselves. So this is what that is representing, this change of event. Whatever you have been focusing on internally, on your earthly sense, your spiritual sense, you bring in all of those fields of holistic health into balance. You're going to have a major change of event, but just know, just take a break and think for a second, maybe a day or two, that this major change of event is for the betterment of yourself and the betterment of your love connection. Okay? Know that. All right, guys. That is a lovely reading. I love these energies of these cards. I mean, they speak volumes. This person, good for you. Good job for you. You have done well. So that is it. That is this week's reading. Like I said, if you want any additional information, please check the description below. If you want a reading, please check the description below. And I'll see you guys next week. Peace.